Marce!
Yes!
Ang galing, Julian! Good job! Congratulations to you and also Elmo and Direct Mark, congratulations for that super nakakakilig na music video.
I love that music video and I love this song, Julie.
Yes,
Congratulations.
thank you so much. Yung guy was very, very guwapo but buti hindi nagselos si Elmo. Nagselos
Oh, are you jealous?
Sure ka, hindi ka nagselos. Siguro kayo lang, kasama na.
Oh, ngayon pala nakita actually. Ngayon lang nakita sa amin ni Direk. Pero all in all, yung trip namin to the States para mag-shoot ng music video ni Julie was very entertaining and it was super fun. And congrats Direk Mark.
Julie, I want to ask you, how does it feel na you shot your first music video and it's in the States pa, and of course with Direct Mark, and it was so well done. How does it feel?
Oh yes, of course, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi marami talagang naka-appreciate ng music video, especially yung unang ko music video, which is yung I'll Be There. And ayun, sana po nagustuhan po ninyo yung second music video ko, na second single ko rin po. Oo, kasi marami po talaga tumulong and gusto ko po salamat kay Direct Mark, kay Mr. Simon Ferrer, and kay Johnny Donato, Jimmy Artist Center. And of course, sa lahat po na bumubuo ng